Michael Jackson was born 29 August 1958 in Gary, Indiana, and entertained audience near his entire life. Michael Jackson was an American singer, songwriter, dancer, and philanthropist known as the King of Pop. He is regarded as one of the most significant cultural figures of the 20th century. During his four-decade career, his contribution to music, dance, and fashion, along with his publicized personal life, made him a global figure in popular culture. Jackson artist across many music generations through stage and video performance. His publicized complicated street dance moves such as moonwalk, which is named as well as reboot. Michael Jackson's father Joe Jackson had been a guitarist but was forced up to his musical ambition to marry Catherine Jackson, mother of Michael Jackson. Together, they produced their family musical interest at home. By the early 1960s, the older boy, Jackie Tattoo and Gemini, performing around the city. By the 1964, Michael L. Maradona joined in. Michael Jackson's singing and dancing talent were amazing and mature, and he soon became the dominated voice and the focus on Jackson 5. By the early 1969, the boy was produced back-to-back chartable move town like I Want to You, ABC, Never Say Goodbye, Go to Be There, at the act of the participant in the 1970 by the emerging one of the most accomplished the Black Popo's solo musical group in the musical history, successfully involving from the group like the Temptation to a disco phenomena. Solo success for Michael Jackson was inevitable. By the 1990s, he had become infinity more than popular his brother group. Record sales consistently orbited, communicated in the biggest selling album of all time, like Thriller 1982. In the 1990s, the downsize in the 1980s, pop phenomena began to rear itself. Michael grew tribally child, like inherited by his peerless celebrity. Michael Jackson has two brief marriages, one Alice Paracelli and daughter Lisa Mers Paracelli were forget, and two children from produce his second wife. But the purpose behind them orbited image orbited. Michael Jackson died 25 June 2009 in Los Angeles, California at the age of 50-year-old. His passion and artistry, dancer, singer, businessman, were unplugged, and it these talents that ultimately prevail over the extremely negative aspect of his troubled adult life. At his peak, Jackson was reportedly worth around $1 billion. He had to be claimed 300 million to charity more than any other celebrity. His 1982 album Thriller is one of the biggest selling albums of all time, with confirmed sale 50 million copy and claims sale 100 million copy worldwide. Michael Jackson album Bad in 1987 is one of the biggest selling album of all time. 20 million copies sold worldwide and the 50 million copies sold in the national wise. Michael Jackson was the first artist to generate 7 top 10 hit songs in one album in United States like Thriller. Following the week of his death, his album collectively peaked over 2000%. Thanks for watching this video. Need your support to grow this channel and share and comment which you song and album like Michael Jackson. And if you have seen live Michael Jackson singing and talent. Thanks for watching this video. Need your support to grow this channel and share and comment what you think about Michael Jackson. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you. Share in comment section Michael Jackson song or album which you like and which you singing till now. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for again. Thanks for watching. Thanks your supports to this channel. Thanks.